Discover effortless home cleaning with cutting-edge technology. The best self-cleaning robot vacuum keeps your floors spotless while automatically emptying its dustbin. Save time, reduce chores, and enjoy a consistently clean home without lifting a finger. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Shark AV2501S Self-Cleaning Robot Vacuum. The Shark AV2501S stands out as a powerful and dependable cleaning companion for any household. Designed with incredible suction, it easily picks up dirt, debris, and pet hair from all floor types, delivering deep and consistent cleaning results. Its Matrix Clean navigation system ensures no area is left untouched, using a precise grid pattern to take multiple passes over messes for spotless coverage, creating a healthier home environment. With its advanced 360-degree LiDAR mapping, the Shark AV2501S navigates intelligently, detecting and avoiding obstacles while adapting to changes in your home layout. Pet owners will especially appreciate the self-cleaning brush roll that prevents tangling and efficiently captures pet hair. Additionally, hands-free control through Alexa or Google Assistant makes operation simple. You can start, stop, or schedule cleaning using just your voice. Combining strong suction, intelligent navigation, and low-maintenance operation, the Shark AV2501S is ideal for those who want a truly automated, hassle-free cleaning experience. It's a reliable, tech-forward vacuum that keeps your floors spotless and your time free for more important things. Number 2. Eufy Omni C20 Self-Cleaning Robot Vacuum. The eufy Omni C20 self-cleaning robot vacuum is an exceptional all-in-one cleaning solution for modern homes, combining vacuuming, mopping, and self-maintenance in one sleek design. Its fully automated station handles emptying, washing, and drying tasks seamlessly, ensuring you enjoy a completely hands-free cleaning experience. The transparent water tanks make it easy to monitor levels without lifting a lid, while the room temperature air drying keeps mops fresh and odor-free. Its Mop Master technology, featuring 180 rotations per minute and 6 N of pressure, effectively removes stubborn stains, leaving floors spotless. The C20's 3.35-inch low-profile design helps it reach under furniture and tight spaces that often go neglected. It also features a Pro Detangle comb, which reverses the roller brush to remove tangled hair automatically, reducing maintenance time significantly. App connectivity allows users to control, schedule, and customize cleaning routines from anywhere, though it supports only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. For homes with mixed flooring, pets, and busy lifestyles, the eufy Omni C20 provides exceptional versatility and efficiency. It blends advanced automation, powerful suction, and convenient design to deliver a truly effortless cleaning experience that saves both time and effort while keeping your home pristine. Number 3. Eufy C10 Self-Cleaning Robot Vacuum. The eufy C10 self-cleaning robot vacuum is a practical and efficient option for those seeking a reliable, self-maintaining cleaning companion. Featuring a 3-liter self-emptying station, the C10 automatically disposes of dust and debris, requiring bag changes only every 60 days, making it perfect for busy households. The C10 uses advanced laser navigation to map your home accurately, optimizing its cleaning route for complete coverage without unnecessary repetition. Its slim 2.85-inch design allows it to glide under beds, sofas, and other low furniture, reaching places traditional vacuums often miss. The robot connects via a mobile app, supporting 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi for easy scheduling and control. Users can set cleaning zones, check progress, and manage settings from their smartphones. For optimal results, it's recommended to clear small items like cords or socks before cleaning. Combining compact design, intelligent navigation, and powerful suction, the eufy C10 offers great performance and convenience for everyday use. It's a smart investment for those who value effortless cleaning and modern functionality in one sleek, low-profile device. Number 4. Airzeen Q10 Pro Self-Cleaning Robot Vacuum. The Airzeen Q10 Pro self-cleaning robot vacuum brings advanced automation and power to home cleaning with an impressive 5,000 PA suction and intelligent 4-in-1 system. It's engineered to handle vacuuming, sweeping, mopping, and self-emptying in one comprehensive unit, offering a completely hands-free experience. With 360-degree LiDAR navigation and SLAM technology, the Q10 Pro efficiently maps your home for precise and methodical cleaning while avoiding obstacles such as furniture, stairs, and toys. The 3.3-liter self-emptying station allows up to 60 days of debris storage, minimizing maintenance time. Through the Home Howlot app, users can set custom cleaning schedules, adjust suction or water flow, and create no-go zones for a personalized cleaning routine. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, it offers convenient voice control for quick operation. The robot's 150-minute runtime makes it ideal for large homes, and when the battery runs low, it auto-recharges and resumes cleaning from where it left off. With its combination of power, intelligence, and convenience, the Airzeen Q10 Pro redefines automated cleaning, delivering spotless floors and saving homeowners valuable time. It's an excellent choice for tech-savvy users looking for premium performance at home. Number 5. Shark UR2360S Ultra Self-Cleaning Robot Vacuum. The Shark UR2360S Ultra Self-Cleaning Robot Vacuum delivers exceptional power and precision, setting a high standard in automated home cleaning. Its Matrix Clean technology ensures no area is missed by methodically cleaning in a precision grid pattern, making multiple passes for thorough results. With powerful suction, it captures dirt and debris from carpets and hard floors with ease, while the self-cleaning brush roll prevents tangles and is especially effective for homes with pets. The bagless self-emptying base holds up to 30 days of debris, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. Enhanced by 360-degree LiDAR mapping, it accurately navigates and maps your home both day and night for efficient cleaning routes. The Object Detect system helps it intelligently avoid obstacles, while Clean Edge Detect uses blasts of air to pull debris out of corners, delivering 50% better edge cleaning than standard robots. You can easily control it through the Shark Clean app or via voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant, offering complete convenience. With its advanced mapping, strong suction, and thoughtful pet-friendly design, the Shark UR2360S Ultra stands out as one of the most capable robot vacuums available. It combines power, intelligence, and ease of use to give homeowners a spotless floor with minimal effort. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.